Here we will write a Python program to print sum of first n natural numbers using recursion. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define one function with def keyword find sum with one parameter. Then we will check value of n. If n equals 0, we will return 0. Else we will return n plus find sum, which is name of the function, n minus 1. Then outside the function we will accept nth term from the user. So num equal to in input enter nth term, and we will call the function find sum. Since we are returning the value, we will call this function in print statement. So print sum of first n natural numbers, and we will call the function find sum, and we will pass num as a parameter. Then we will save this and we will execute this. It will ask n term. I will give 5. It will print sum of first n natural numbers as 15.